Hello students. Now we are going to solve numericals based on conductivity and molar conductivity. So here we have the first question based on it. Okay. Now this first question is, let us read this question together. A conductivity cell filled with 0.01 molar KCl. We have KCl whose concentration is 0.01 molar. Now, so we are having KCl and its concentration is 0.01 molar. Okay, now it gives at 25 degrees centigrade the resistance of, so we are having R as 604 ohm. The conductivity of KCl at 25 degrees centigrade is, conductivity is K. So we are writing 0.00141 ohm inverse centimeter inverse. The same cell when filled with AgNO3. So we write here AgNO3. Okay. So we are having AgNO3 also, and its concentration, it is given 0.001 molar. Gives the resistance of R is equal to 6529 ohm. Calculate the molar conductivity of AgNO3. So we have to find out molar conductivity of AgNO3. Hence I have written molar conductivity symbol in the column of AgNO3. Okay. Now, what is the formula for the molar conductivity? That is 1000 K upon C. Now, what is this K? K is conductivity, which is cell constant upon resistance. Now, in this case, we have R with us, which is 6529 ohm. But we do not have B with us. Cell constant, it is constant for both the electrolytes. So, B we will get from KCl. Now, how to get B from the data of KCl, that we are going to solve. So, from the KCl, we are having K is equal to B upon R. Now, what is the value of K in case of KCl? It is 0.00141 into, what is the value of R in this case? 604. B is equal to this. So, the value of B is this. Okay. Now, what we will do? We will transfer this value into B. Okay. So, we write here is equal to, okay, we move on here, lambda m is equal to 1000 B upon R, and I write concentration. So lambda m is equal to 1000 into B. Now what is the value of B? I directly take from here 0.00141 into 604 upon R. Now this R is for AgNO3, and what is the value of R over here? It is 6529. Okay, so we wrote B, we wrote R, and this concentration is from AgNO3 section, which is 0.001. Now students, when you solve this, you will be getting answer as 130.4, and let us see what is going to be the unit of this. Okay, now we are having lambda m is equal to 1000 K upon C. Now the unit of C we know very well, it is mole per decimeter cube or mole per centimeter cube, wherein conductivity we all know that its unit is ohm inverse and centimeter inverse. So what will be the unit of lambda m? The unit of lambda m would be ohm inverse mole will come up, it will be mole inverse, and when centimeter raised to minus 3 will move into the numerator, we will get centimeter square. So the unit would be ohm inverse per mole centimeter square. So in this way we solve the numerical based on conductivity and molar conductivity. So when we read the question, we have to read it twice and we have to write the data in this way so that it becomes very easy to calculate. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when I post a new video. Also, like the video and share it with your friends.